Hello viewers, welcome you all to MOOC on Institutional Assessment. We are discussing Institute Review Data Requirements and Data Management in Digital Era. This topic is also under Unit 1 and the intended learning outcome is this video and related study materials will enable us to identify the requirements of institutional review data and its management in digital era. For an educational institute, major part of institutional data is students' data. So, requirement of institutional review data and its management both are very important. But managing this huge data is a big task for the persons, those who are involved in the process. So, what can be the alternative? Let us consider the function of an institutional data review and management system. It reduces the unnecessary workload on faculty and staff members, and it helps the institute to have smooth day-to-day operations. Teachers need not to deal with redundant paperwork, so that allow the teachers to be more aware of students' performance. Again, information available is faster and in an easy format, and also data is stored in a more secure system. Moreover, we know review is not one time. There is need for periodic review. Based on the review data, review team need to advise the university or institution to do the needful as per requirement of institutional criteria. Say for example, course review is an important part of institute review. Let us see how. Course review connected to the component academic resources. So, data must provide sufficient evidence that adequate infrastructure is available to continue to offer the course at the institute, and that is high quality standards. Again, regarding economic validity of the course, data requirement is for providing evidence that will help identifying the external factors which may challenge the course or its future viability. Then considering the component graduate employment and employer satisfaction, data must be sufficient enough to create evidences to justify the attainment of learning outcomes, that is POs, PSOs, COs and PEOs of the students. For the component academic governance and management arrangements for the course under review, data required to provide sufficient evidence that they are appropriate for ensuring successful delivery and oversight of the course. This example gives us an indication of data requirements for the process of course review. So, for ensuring quality of an academic institute, data management is very important. When done properly, it helps to enhance productivity, as information searching requires less time involvement and leads to easy access of information. The working team will be able to do more work. Then number 2, to work smoothly. So, responding to issues or inquiries on time is only possible when we work on real time data. Then third point is to improve decision making, as it is possible to make any decision accurate only when updated information is available on time. Now, can we manage this data manually? We can, but it may lead to problems. What are the problems? Lot of time and resource involvement will be there, mistakes in manual data entry, misinterpretation of data by one staff entered by another, lack of data, etc. Can these issues be solved implementing the institutional data management system? Let us see what can be provided by this system. Number 1, automated data capturing. So, today in this digital era, the day-to-day operations can be effectively managed using technology. Data capturing or data entry is one of them. Say, class attendance, then hostel attendance, library or laboratory stock verification, etc. can be done automatically using this system. Then number 2, integration. When data is managed manually, lots of repetitive tasks may be there. But to solve this problem, integration of all the modules is provided by this system. Means, student details once entered in the administration module need not to be entered again in the course related module or accounts or fees related module or in the hostel or library modules. Then number 3, data arrangement. What is possible in this? In this digital era, using student information system, all data can be indexed quickly and automatically using this system. Information searching is then easier. Analyzing and creating a comprehensive report on a set of data is easily possible. Next is cloud service. We can understand storage of data can be an issue, but data can be stored on the cloud. It makes faster information access from any location. Data is safe from all kinds of threats. Regular security updates ensure that the information is secure from viruses also. Fifth point is simplified operations. Student information system can provide an easy user interface so that the staff can navigate easily. As it has role based access, so different levels of staff have different authorizations to access the student information. Hence, we can note two important observations regarding institutional review data management. Number 1, as institutions deal with a lot of data related to student admission, fees collected, online classes, then performance assessments, end-term evaluations, gradings and certifications, etc. These require a level of automation to eliminate manual errors. And number 2, information in e-formats presents specific challenges to the administrators of educational institutions, while deciding methods of collecting, storing, transferring, controlling access to that preserves the confidentiality, integrity and availability of data as and when needed. So, maintaining the integrity of institutional review data is equally important. But how can we ensure security of institutional review data? This is possible by implementing education ERP. What is that? Enterprise Resource Planning or ERP is a key software for institutions that supports the institutions in managing and controlling their operations and all activities regardless of their periodicity. We can note that ERP protects from manipulations or loss of complete academic data of students. Number 2, ERP prevents the loss of information related to fees and other funding, then protects the institute from any monetary loss. Moreover, uses of ERP software vary per stakeholders. For example, say for teachers, it can access specific student data across departments that will help the teachers to understand the students' journey better and to provide personalized learning experience. Similarly, students can also access information whenever and wherever they like to. This makes the learning process a seamless and streamlined experience. And education ERP is capable of streamlining the workflow of institutions, saving work time and improving communication between faculty and students, which is bound to promote an effective learning environment. It can bring in savings in costs as well as time for the management of an institute. So, friends, we can understand that institutional data management in the digital era demands special skills. It is very difficult to maintain 100% data security and management using manual work process, but efficient ERP software keeps the data private and secure by offering features such as a centralized database with OTP and password, role-based access, etc. Hence, in this digital era, an ERP is not optional but essential. But we should select appropriate management software that is equipped with effective data security features. This is all about Unit 1 and overview of institutional review process. In the next video, we will discuss about Unit 2, that is management aspects. Till then, goodbye and thank you.